Welcome to the step-by-step guide to Revolut Expense Management, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you effectively manage your expenses using the Revolut platform. Firstly, to get started with Revolut Expense Management, you need to set up your account and download the Revolut app. Once you have the app, create an account and link your card to start using the service. Next, you need to understand the different features of Revolut that can help you manage your expenses. Revolut allows you to track your spending in real time, categorize your transactions, and set budgets for different categories. You can also use the app to generate receipts and invoices for your expenses. To start tracking your expenses, go to the dashboard section of the app and click on the Analytics tab. Here you can see a breakdown of your spending by category, including food, transportation, and entertainment. You can also use the search function to find specific transactions and filter by date or category. Another key feature of Revolut is the ability to set budgets for different categories. To do this, go to the budgeting section of the app and select the category you want to set a budget for. You can then enter the amount you want to budget for that category and set a time period, such as a month or a year. In addition to tracking and budgeting, Revolut also allows you to generate receipts and invoices for your expenses. To do this, go to the Receipts section of the app and select the transaction you want to generate a receipt for. You can then add a description and categories to the receipt and export it as a PDF or CSV file. To get the most out of Revolut Expense Management, it is essential to establish good habits and best practices. This includes regularly tracking your spending, setting realistic budgets, and keeping your receipts and invoices organized. By following these steps and using the features of Revolut, you can effectively manage your expenses and stay on top of your finances. In conclusion, Revolut Expense Management is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances. By setting up your account, tracking your expenses, setting budgets, and generating receipts and invoices, you can simplify your financial management and make informed decisions about your money.